USA, March 19, 2025. Warm temperatures earlier this week were replaced with a blizzard warning Wednesday for much of Nebraska. The latest winter storm to move across the Cornhusker State has brought portions of central and eastern Nebraska to a virtual standstill. Many schools, churches, and businesses were also closed throughout central and eastern Nebraska. Blizzard conditions reported between Lexington and York have prompted the closure of Interstate 80 westbound from Lincoln and eastbound from Cozad, with state highways in that region also closed due to conditions.
What things look like right now. Look at the wind.
Meteorologists expected up to 70 miles per hour wind gusts and anywhere from 2 to 10 inches of snow on Wednesday. A blizzard warning was placed in effect for central Nebraska until 2 p.m. Central Time, 10 p.m. for eastern Nebraska. Phil Beta, a meteorologist with the National Weather Service Hastings office, advised people to only travel if necessary. In Grand Island, the police department posted on social media that power lines were down all over the city, traffic lights were not functioning, and stalled vehicles were in the roadways. Northeast Nebraska is projected to get hit with the most snow, with Tecuma getting up to 10 inches. The central part of the state could get 4 to 9 inches of snow. Lincoln Electric System's outage map showed more than 1,000 customers across the city were without power Wednesday morning. In an update, the city of Lincoln shared that a high wind warning was in effect until 7 p.m. Wednesday, and a blizzard warning was in effect until 10 p.m. Wednesday. Streets were mostly dry at around 5 a.m., with the weather expected to transition from rain to sleet to snow throughout the morning. Nebraska Public Power District issued an update saying several Nebraska communities were without power. Power outages have been numerous in the area according to officials with Nebraska Public Power District. A release from spokesman Grant Otten says the number of customer accounts without power as of 8:30 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time was more than 10,000, with the largest outages in the York, Aurora, and Geneva areas. Otten says crews are prepared to restore service as soon as possible. However, whiteout conditions have impacted their ability to travel to trouble spots such as down power lines or substations with tripped equipment. The outages appear to also be impacting the web cameras for NDOT, as many of those located in the blizzard area were offline mid-morning Wednesday. The whiteout blizzard conditions are very hazardous right now for our crews needing to travel to outages or get up in bucket trucks, and has limited our crews' ability to safely respond to outages, the statement said. As conditions improve in each of the impacted areas, our crews will work to restore impacted customers. Customers experiencing outages can report them through its NPPD on the Go mobile app. A powerful winter storm that's blasting portions of the plains and upper Midwest has produced blizzard conditions in parts of Kansas as the region gets slammed with heavy snow, strong winds, and even some thunder snow. The Fox Forecast Center said the storm is rapidly strengthening as it moves across the region on Wednesday, pulling in the widespread snow and strong winds on the backside of the low-pressure system. Impacts have already been felt across the region, including in Kansas. According to the Kansas Department of Transportation, all highways in the northwest part of the state are closed. The agency said the closure includes both directions of Interstate 70 from Salina to the Colorado border. I-70 is also closed between Goodland and Colby due to low visibility and treacherous travel conditions. The Kansas Highway Patrol shared a video showing heavy snow blowing across I-70 in Goodland. Troopers have asked residents to stay home if possible. Blizzard conditions have also been verified in Oberlin, Kansas, with forecasters reporting at least 3 hours of visibility of less than a quarter mile and winds gusting between 35 and 50 miles per hour.
An automated weather station report of 61 miles per hour.
Nebraska be like, you think that winter's over? Think again.
Dangerous blizzard conditions and high winds bear down on eastern Nebraska. Blizzard conditions and high winds are moving into eastern Nebraska on Wednesday morning, March 19th, 2025. It'll be dangerous, if not impossible, to attempt any travel throughout the morning and early afternoon.
Is this a glacier? No, it's a house. Just completely zero visibility.
Hit it again.
Winter weather advisory, purple. Some snow is expected. Plan on slippery road conditions impacting the evening commute in far southeast Nebraska. Winds will be strong enough in that same area to damage trees and power lines. Moderate to, at times, very heavy snow is expected for the majority of the morning on Wednesday. The highest snowfall rates and the worst of the winds gusting around 60 to 70 miles per hour will happen between 9 a.m. and noon Wednesday. High winds coming right along with the snow will greatly reduce visibility for travel on Wednesday through the afternoon. Gusts will be up around 55 to 70 miles per hour through about 6 to 7 p.m. Wednesday, then decrease late tonight into early Thursday. A high wind warning will be in effect until 7 p.m. Wednesday due to these significant winds. Tomorrow, Thursday, March 20th, is the start of spring. We'll try to warm to the lower 50s with abundant sunshine expected. That's the good thing about snow this late in the season. It doesn't last very long.
The wind is...
This is weird.